Here is how we can enable microphone on the Apple Watch. Let me explain that and show you how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss videos and tutorials like this one. So the Apple Watch most definitely features a number of microphones based on your device model, but you can most definitely use it for different purposes. And in order to enable it, we don't have like one toggle or menu in the settings to turn on the microphone, but we have to enable some features instead. So let me give you an example. Like a lot of people want to use microphone to trigger Siri, the assistant, right? So for that, we can grab the iPhone that's paired to that Apple Watch, open up the Watch application, which are like the settings for it, and go to the Siri where I can turn on listening for the commands, meaning that the microphone is going to be turned on for that feature. I personally keep it set to off, meaning that microphone is disabled and it's not like constantly listening to my commands, right? So that's one example of enabling microphone, but for a specific feature. Outside of that, we also have other things like the dictation or, recording your audio and stuff like that, right? So if you, for example, are typing text, let's say you are replying to a message or typing whatever, you can switch the input method from the keyboard or scribble and choose dictation. So when you just click it like that, you enable or turn on a microphone for that particular use case. Same thing as I mentioned for the voice memos. You open up the voice memos app, hit the record button, and you basically are using the microphone. So you enable it like that. So we don't have like a dedicated direct toggle for it on the watch, but only based on specific features. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I hope I was able to explain and guide you through it. As I said, let me know your thoughts and I'll see you later.